Hello everyone. First night for the first year of 2026. For the first day of 2026. It's awfully quiet. I didn't go out today. I slept until 4 p.m. So thank you so much. Welcome to Baguio City. This year 2026, more blessings to all of us. I hope we will have more blessings, health, wealth, and happiness to all of us. It's awfully quiet. We're all tired and lazy for the first day of the year. More blessings to all of us. Thank you.